Is your phone's storage full again? Do you think the cloud is just some magical floating hard drive in the sky? If you've ever felt lost in a fog of tech jargon, you're not alone. Welcome to the world of cloud confusion, and today we're going to clear the air. Let's bust some myths right away. Myth number 1. The cloud is only for storing photos. Wrong. While that's a popular use, it's just the tip of the iceberg. Myth number 2. It's not secure. Actually, major cloud providers have security teams and technologies that are often far more advanced than what you could manage on your own. So what's the difference between cloud storage and cloud computing? Think of it like this. Cloud storage is like a digital locker for your files, your photos, documents, and videos. You put things in, you take them out. Cloud computing, on the other hand, is like renting a super-powered workshop. It gives you access to powerful software, immense processing power, and complex databases without needing to own the expensive equipment. Streaming movies, playing online games, or using a project management tool at work. That's all cloud computing in action. Now, let's talk about security and who owns your data. This is a big source of confusion. When you upload data to a cloud service, you still own it. The cloud company is just the custodian responsible for keeping it safe. It's like putting your valuables in a high-security bank vault. You own what's inside, but the bank provides the lock, the guards, and the walls. That's why it's so important to read the terms of service to understand how your data is protected and managed. So how do you navigate this cloudy world smartly? First, identify your needs. Do you just need to back up your photos, or do you need to run complex applications for your business? Second, choose reputable providers. Companies like Google, Amazon, and Microsoft have built their reputations on reliability and security. Finally, always use strong, unique passwords and enable two-factor authentication. It's your first line of defense. The cloud isn't a mysterious force. It's a powerful tool that makes our digital lives easier and more connected. By understanding the basics, you can use it with confidence. I hope this helped clear up some of your cloud confusion. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more simple explanations of complex tech. Thanks for watching.